Is it the right time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? Today, we're going to take a closer look at Nvidia and provide you with a more detailed analysis. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, January 23, 2024. Now, we're here to give you even more insights into this company. To stay updated on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Don't miss out on any important updates that could impact your investments. If you want to enhance your trading decisions, we have something exciting for you. Try our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. With this tool, you can tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Lastly, please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 5, 2024, our system has identified Nvidia as a strong investment opportunity, giving it a score of 4.06. Now let's dive into the stock's performance over this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed a remarkable gain of 21.95% since we first recommended Nvidia as a buy candidate just 12 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 1.83% since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock has recently broken a strong upward trend, indicating a significant increase in its rate of growth. If there is any pullback, there will be support at the previous trend level of $587.76. This could present a second opportunity for a profitable trade. According to fan theory, the next potential resistance level is projected to be around $658.74, which may prove challenging to surpass initially. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 26.07% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return ranging from 8.81% to 23.76%. Moving on to the 12-month trend, there is a projected 103.32% change in the stock's value over the next year. This indicates a potential return ranging from 63.23% to 119.21%. In other words, the stock's price could range from $977.31 to $1,312.47 after a year. Our latest update on Nvidia brings an important headline: evaluation of Nvidia stock downgraded after the last trading session. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, January 23, 2024, the Nvidia stock price experienced a gain of 0.367%. It went from $596.54 to $598.73. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains for the stock. It'll be interesting to see if this positive trend continues or if there's a temporary pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $585.85 and a high of $599.10, representing a 2.26% fluctuation. In the past 10 days, the stock has risen in 8 of them, resulting in a 14.58% increase over the past 2 weeks. The volume of shares traded decreased by 16 million shares on the last day, with a total of 29 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $17.42 billion. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume at higher prices can indicate divergence and might serve as an early warning for potential changes in the next few days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached for this stock was $603.31, while the lowest price was $185.80. Currently, the stock price stands at 0.76% below its 52-week high, which translates to a difference of $4.58. It's important to mention that the current price of $598.73 is also the all-time high for this stock. Today, we'll be discussing the latest analyst ratings for Nvidia. On Friday, January 19, 2024, Raymond James gave Nvidia a strong buy grade with a hold action. Moving on to Tuesday, January 16, 2024, KeyBank rated Nvidia as outperform with a hold action. Let's take a look at Monday, December 11, 2023, when Cowen and Company gave Nvidia a buy grade with a hold action. Back on Wednesday, November 22, 2023, BMO Capital rated Nvidia as a buy with a hold action. Also on Wednesday, November 22, 2023, Wells Fargo gave Nvidia an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts highly recommend Nvidia stock, giving it a strong buy rating overall. They consider the PE ratio and price-to-book ratio as excellent, both receiving a strong buy rating. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts also give the stock a strong buy rating. Today, let's take a look at the signals for Nvidia stock. The chart shows mostly positive signals, which is great news for Nvidia investors. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals confirms the buy signal, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. If the stock experiences a correction and decreases in value, it should find support at $576.10 and $506.31. However, if it falls below these levels, sell signals may be triggered. On Wednesday, December 6, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has already risen by an impressive 31.58%. This suggests that there may be further rise until a new top pivot is found. Another positive signal comes from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, which also indicates a buy signal. It's important to note that although the stock's prices have been increasing, volume has actually fallen during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be seen as an early warning sign. Therefore, it's advisable to closely monitor the stock's performance. Today, let's explore some interesting signals that you might find valuable for your investment decisions. First up, we have the moving average convergence divergence, which is showing a buy signal. Next, we have the pivots indicator, indicating a buy signal 32 days ago. The Bollinger Bands are also showing a buy signal 6 days ago. In addition, the short-term moving average is displaying a buy signal 13 days ago, and the long-term moving average is also indicating a buy signal 13 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 53 days ago. Now, let's shift our focus to the 12-month chart. On this chart, the short moving average is showing a buy signal 13 days ago, while the long-term moving average is indicating a buy signal 55 days ago. Similarly, the relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 45 days ago. For more signals and detailed information, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop-loss for Nvidia. Let's talk about the support levels for Nvidia stock. Right below today's level, we have two important support levels at $531.40 and $495.22. When a stock is testing a support level, there's always a certain level of risk involved. If the support level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Nvidia finds support just below today's level at $531.40. If that level is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $495.22 and $487.16. It's important to note that this stock can be quite volatile, meaning it may experience significant price movements throughout the day. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, Nvidia is considered to be a high-risk stock. In fact, during the last day, the stock moved $13.25 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 2.26% of its value. Looking at the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 2.84%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Nvidia, let's quickly go over some essential fundamental data. Firstly, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth in the future. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 28, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $3.76. It's crucial to keep an eye on these figures as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, let's explore potential day trading levels for Nvidia. When it comes to resistance, there's no significant hurdle from accumulated volume above. This means that under the right conditions, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. In such a scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume as a guide to determine your exit strategy. On the downside, the first support level for Nvidia is at $531.40. If this level holds, it could present a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound. Analysts from multiple sources have given Nvidia a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. The most recent insider activity involves Stephens Mark A., who bought and sold a total of 71,648 shares or options in the company. Looking at the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated a negative insider power with a ratio of -34.422. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased a total of 450,407 shares and sold a total of 917,509 shares. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $582.80, which is a decrease of 2.66%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, making it a high-risk investment. Additionally, the RSI 14 indicator is currently at 92, further increasing the risk. However, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 31 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals and a general upward trend in Nvidia stock. The stock has also recently broken its rising trend, indicating an even stronger rate of growth. This suggests that there may be a buying opportunity at the current level, with a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. However, we must note that there is a possibility of a false trend break, which prevents us from listing the stock as a pure buy candidate. Additionally, there are some small weaknesses in the technical picture, leading us to downgrade our analysis conclusion from a strong buy to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. Moreover, our systems indicate that the current price of Nvidia stock is overvalued, based on the volatility and movements observed during the last trading day. Looking ahead to trading on Wednesday, January 24th, we anticipate that Nvidia will open with a decrease of -$4.17, starting at $594.56. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk. We strongly advise consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest, where we provide you with an insightful view of the stock market. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments section below. What do you think about our current view of the stock? We'd love to hear from you. Additionally, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.